Hi, welcome to the studio. I'm going to show you some pieces of equipment that I use to work with my clients. There's 6 pieces of equipment, and plus the Pilates unit, the reformer, and I'm going to show you some of the props and things that we use. So we'll start in this room. This room has the gyrotoner, and this is going to be really helpful for shoulder rehabilitation, upper body neck rehabilitation, so cervical spine injuries, especially neuropathy and different restrictions in adhesion, and if nerves turn off or if they're misfiring, this piece of equipment can teach you how to fire them in proper order and break up adhesions in the upper body. It also does some lower body stuff with hip and knee rotation. You can do it standing or sitting. So this is the newest piece of equipment that Julia Horvath developed, who is the creator of Gyrotonic. So that's this piece of equipment. And then we have, over here, we have the leg extension unit. Now this I've used many times when I'm working with people who had knee surgeries or have just got out of physical therapy after having torn tendons or complete knee replacements or hip replacements. And this really teaches you how to use your feet and walk again. Elongate through the feet, use and strengthen the ankle, the knee, the hinge joint of the knee, and also the hip. So this is the leg extension unit. And this also, you can use this for strengthening the glutes, for strengthening the back. It's incredibly versatile as well. This is a phenomenal piece of equipment. This has so many beginning components to learning the spinal motions. There's 6 ways the spine moves, and this tower enables all of that to happen, including one of the most fantastic parts of this is the pulley, the cable tower pulley, where you can work your hamstrings and really learn how to get your legs engaged so that you can relieve any pressure in your low back. So this is the tower. And then we're going to move all the way around the room over here to a reformer. And this is a stock Pilates reformer. There's Balance Body. Balance Body is a great company that makes reformers, but we use this for abdominal exercises and for training the glutes and working in a linear system. Sometimes we need to create a closed chain so that you can integrate all the learning on the gyrotonic unit. So I use this as well. And then we're going to come on over to this phenomenal piece of equipment called the archway. And this really teaches some shoulder strength. It's great to learn how to hang over and just really decompress your back. There's many things you can do on this that are a little bit more advanced piece. This is a bit more advanced piece of equipment, but it's great to try to rebuild your upper body strength. And then we're going to go to the jump stretch board. And this unit, you can do probably over 500 exercises. It's incredibly versatile. It takes up quite a bit of space. However, it's my favorite piece. You really can do a bunch of fun fitness exercises that make Gyrotonic really enjoyable and playful. So those are all the pieces of equipment in the Gyrotonic Expansion System. And it's my pleasure to introduce all of this to you and expose Gyrotonic to you, because it's kind of a boutique niche method that hasn't, got a lot of press yet. And so it's a specialty, and the people who do it, once you do it, you might not know why you love it so much, but you continue doing it, and it really starts to bring more vitality and health and healing to your body quite rapidly. So I'm Carrie Affronti, and it's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you for watching this video.